Hello and welcome to another video here on DAX Wednesdays. In this video, we're going to have a look at two DAX functions called UTCNOW and UTCTODAY. These two DAX functions belong to the date and time family of DAX functions. Let's switch to Power BI for the demonstration. Now, this is going to be a short demonstration in which I'm going to show you why do we need the DAX functions UTCNOW and UTCTODAY. We already have two similar DAX functions called now and today. These two DAX functions now and today are used to find out the local time on the machine that you're using. For instance, since we are using Power BI desktop on a machine which is in the Central European time, it has returned to us the date and the time on which the last data refresh was done. If I were to refresh our data set, you will see the time is updated as per the instance that we updated the data set. Now, since we are in the Central European time, it has returned us exactly today's date as well as the local time. The difference between now and today is that now will return to you the time in addition to the date. This is the only difference between these two, now and today. These kind of visuals help you to provide a visual aid to the user so that the user can understand when was the last time this data set was refreshed and he's not looking at any stale data or data from the past or some data which is not updated. Now on the Power BI desktop side, this was working fine, but issues arised when we used to publish this report into Power BI service. Unfortunately, the time that is displayed on the Power BI service side is updated as per UTC itself. Those who don't know UTC is Coordinated Universal Time, and it is a time standard that is globally used. Please note it is different from GMT, as Power BI service takes into account the UTC time alone. We used to find this disparity between the dataset was refreshed on the Power BI desktop side and the time that is displayed on the Power BI service side. So of course this was an issue, but now UTCNOW and UTCTODAY lets you do is now we can find out what is the exact time at UTC 0 or the date at UTC 0, and we can make modifications in our measures, in our visuals, so that for instance the local time is displayed at Power BI service as well. So there is no difference in the values that we see on the Power BI desktop side and on the Power BI service side. So for instance, if I were to change UTCNOW to, let's say, UTCNOW underscore adjusted Central European time, what I will do is I will add by saying plus 1 by 24. Since we are in Central European time, we are 1 hour ahead of UTC 0. So we'll add 1 hour over here. So we'll see the value that is returned on the Power BI desktop side corresponds with the value that is we have on the Power BI service side. And we don't need to do any modification on UTC today, so we'll keep it as it is. So now we have similar values on both Power BI desktop and Power BI service side. So this is how you can use the UTC now and UTC today DAX functions. Let me know in the comments below of what you thought about this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.